Imagine your data center with 10, 20, or even hundreds of physical servers. Each server may be running a different application or operating system. But here is a problem. Most physical servers are using only a fraction of their available CPU, memory, and storage. This means higher hardware costs, more power consumption, more maintenance, and a much more complicated IT environment. This is where virtualization changes the game. Virtualization allows a single physical server to run multiple independent virtual machines. Each virtual machine behaves like a separate computer, with its own operating system, CPU, memory, storage, and network configuration. Instead of dedicating one physical server to every workload, you can consolidate multiple workloads onto fewer, more powerful servers. The result is better hardware utilization and a much more efficient infrastructure. Proxmox Virtual Environment, commonly called Proxmox VE, is an open source server virtualization platform designed for enterprise data centers. What makes Proxmox particularly powerful is that it brings virtual machines, containers, storage, networking, and cluster management together in a single platform. Proxmox VE uses KVM for full virtual machines and Linux containers, or LXC, for lightweight application environments. And all of this can be managed through a single web-based interface. Proxmox VE sits directly on the server and manages the available CPU, memory, networking, and storage resources. On top of Proxmox, you can create virtual machines for workloads that require complete operating systems. You can also use LXC containers when you need a lightweight and efficient environment for applications and services. Multiple Proxmox servers can also be combined into a cluster, allowing administrators to manage their infrastructure as a unified environment. One of the biggest advantages of Proxmox is its intuitive web-based management interface. From a single browser window, administrators can monitor nodes, virtual machines, containers, storage, and network resources. You can create and configure virtual machines, allocate CPU and memory, attach storage, configure networking, and access the VM console without needing to physically access the server. This makes day-to-day infrastructure management significantly easier. Virtualization becomes even more powerful when combined with flexible storage and data protection. Proxmox supports a wide range of storage technologies, allowing organizations to design their infrastructure around their existing hardware and storage architecture. Administrators can also use snapshots for point-in-time recovery and backups to protect virtual machines and containers. With the right backup strategy, workloads can be restored quickly when something goes wrong. For organizations that require higher availability, Proxmox can be deployed as a cluster. Multiple physical nodes work together, providing centralized management and enabling high availability capabilities. If a physical node experiences a failure, workloads configured for high availability can be restarted on another available node, helping reduce downtime. This makes Proxmox suitable not only for development environments but also for production workloads where availability is important. For larger environments, Proxmox can also be combined with Ceph to build a hyper-converged infrastructure. Instead of relying entirely on a separate storage appliance, storage can be distributed across the Proxmox cluster. Compute and storage resources can therefore operate together across multiple nodes. This architecture can provide scalability, redundancy, and flexibility while reducing infrastructure complexity. So why are organizations looking at Proxmox? Because it provides a powerful combination of virtualization, centralized management, clustering, storage integration, and backup capabilities in one platform. Its open source model also gives organizations greater flexibility in how they design and operate their infrastructure. And importantly, Proxmox can be deployed on standard x86 server hardware, allowing organizations to build infrastructure around their own requirements. Virtualization is no longer simply about running multiple servers on one machine. It is about building an infrastructure that is efficient, flexible, resilient, and ready to scale. And Proxmox VE gives organizations a powerful platform to build that infrastructure. Ready to modernize your virtualization environment? Let's talk.